Hello, this is Nancy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing 3 DIYs with the watermelon theme, and I'm going to be using the stencils from Essential Stencil. I'm not sponsored by them, but I am an affiliate and I have their link down below. Today I'm using the one in a melon, but I'm going to be making the rest of them for my kitchen, for my new kitchen. So this is what they all look like, and they're nice sturdy plastic. So very fruity puns. So now this is what I'll show you how thick the plastic is. And now we're going to need 27 blocks, and we're going to glue them in 9 sets of 3. So I'll get back with you when those are done. And now that they're all dry, I'm going to glue all 9 together, and I'm alternating the direction of the blocks. You can keep them the same direction if you want. This is the way I like it, and I think it makes it look. Even though I'm going to paint over them, it still, I think it looks nicer this way. So we're going to glue all 9 together. I'm trying to figure out where I put the glue on this one. It's confusing. I usually don't do them all like this, put the glue on them all at the same time. So that's what was confusing me at the same now. So now we're gonna put the last one into place. There you go. Now we're gonna use some lightweight spackling, and we're gonna cover all those little crevices. You can leave them open if you want, but I wanted to have a nice smooth surface for my stencil. So we're going to just cover those up nicely. Once the spackling was dry, I took it outside and sanded it down, and I rounded the edges because I just wanted to give it a little extra touch. Yes, I said outside. I have a covered porch now. I can work outside. And I'm using the Anita's all-purpose acrylic paint from Hobby Lobby in cream, and I'm doing the base coat. If you want a full coat, you probably need about 3 or 4 coats of this paint. It's not similar to the Waverly wax paint. Waverly paint. And now I'm mixing some of the Hippie Crafter rose and cream to get the watermelon color. And I'm just mixing a whole bunch because I'm going to be using this throughout the 3 projects. And pause here for a second. I would not suggest using a paintbrush to stencil this, but I don't have my daubers with me because they're in storage. You guys know the story now. Because it didn't do a good how you call it. It didn't transfer very well, but I do fix it in the end. So I'll get back to you when all this is done. Enjoy the stenciling. here's the end of it and the reveal. Like I said, it didn't do a good job, but not too bad. But I did fix it up in the end. And now I'm using some painter's tape to, because I want to make a border around the sign. So it's about a quarter of an inch away from the edge. And I do this on all four sides. Okay. Now once all this is dry, I'm getting the Mod Podge dishwasher safe because I wanted the gloss, not the matte. So I use this one here because it's glossy. And I did a couple coats of that onto my little sign. Okay, just in case I want to use it as a trivet or something, because it's wood, so you can use it as a trivet. But I'm going to be using mine as a sign. But I wanted the shininess because the Hippie Crafter paint is not matte, so I just wanted to mimic that throughout the whole sign. And this is what it looks like at the end. Like I said, I will be making the other five of the kitchen puns in the coming months here. Now to number two, wood slice coasters. I bought these at Michael's after Christmas sale, and I'm losing my words again. I did some lightweight spackling on the hole because these are ornaments. So I waited that to dry, and then I'm using the same paints that I used before, and I'm just painting around the edge. And you could do both sides. I only did one side here. Again, I used the cream, and to tell you the truth, I did not realize this was cream until after the fact, because I thought the sign looked a little weird. And then when I looked at the colors, oh, it is cream. It's not white, but it still looks good. So I'll get back to you when this is done. If you're liking this content, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment below. Would you make some watermelon coasters for your house? Or would you make it a different fruit? Let me know. Okay, I painted all four coasters and waited for them to dry, and now we're going to use a black Sharpie to draw in the seeds. I did five. I know the seeds are not like this, but I thought it looked cute this way. You can just paint your watermelon slices as you like. And again, I'm using the shiny Mod Podge, the dishwasher safe one, because I'm going to be using this for coasters. So you want it to be, to resist water or condensation. So I got these four little coasters done. on to project number 3, some watermelon earrings. I got these wood shapes from 24 Hour Crafts, not sponsored, and don't have an affiliate link either. And again, I'm using the same colors that I used before and painting around the edge. So just do the edge right there because it's sort of dark brown when the laser cut. But on these, I did paint both sides because I'm going to be making them into earrings. Oh, I forgot that one side of these wood slices does have a sheet of paper that you need to peel off before you start painting. Another disclaimer here. Well, actually, I'm doing the seeds here with the Sharpie as well. But I'm going to be pulling out my crocodile to make the hole on top, but it cracked the wood. So I would suggest using a drill and a drill bit to make the holes for your jewelry findings. And there you can see where it cracked it. I might be ordering some more to remake them. And here I am adding the jump rings and then the ear wire. If you have any questions, just comment below if you need some help with something. But I think these came out cute if they weren't broken. That's why the way I'm pushing them through is through the hole that was broken. But they came out pretty cute. I hope you enjoyed these watermelon DIYs. What fruit do you think I should try next? Comment below. Until next time, be brave, be strong, and create some fruit DIYs. Stay to the end to see the pictures.